Yo, what is up my Apple Watch Bro family, and today we have a video that is not the most exciting video in the world, but it's gonna be exciting for those of you who really love the Apple Watch, for those of you who are fans of the Apple Watch. So I went 2 weeks ago to the Apple store because my Apple Watch Series 2 had a lot of battery issues. The battery didn't even last all day, so that was a problem. So I went to the Apple store and they said, yeah, this Apple Watch has a problem. So they fixed it for me and they gave me a brand new Apple. So what's today's video about? Today's video, I wanted to show you what the actual packaging looks like, how the AppleCare Apple Watch unboxing looks like. So yeah, today's an Apple Watch AppleCare unboxing, which you guys have probably never seen. I think this is one of the first ones that I've seen on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started.
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and unbox this. We've got this plastic thing right here. Let's go ahead and open this. As I said, it's going to be a pretty simple unboxing, but I just wanted to show you guys for those that who are curious. So we have some paperwork that basically let us know of some warranty information, and then inside of the box, we've got the Apple Watch. This is a very simple unboxing. We have it presented right here without a band, of course, with this spot to put the Apple Watch in, and then of course we've got an Apple Watch. And of course, we get it the same way that we get our watch whenever we buy a new one. We get this packaging that is always super nice to peel off. And there you go. Brand new Apple Watch. Thank you, AppleCare. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I just think it's really cool how Apple takes into consideration every single detail. I mean, this is a warranty. This is a replacement out of an Apple Watch. They could just give customers like the replacement of the Apple Watch in a poly bag or something and it would be fine. But no, Apple really takes into consideration every detail. And look at the box. It's amazing. The detail in Apple is amazing, and that's why I basically wanted to show this video. So yeah guys, let me know in the comments, have you guys ever had your Apple Watch replaced? So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one.